Welcome to another episode of Destination Bacon, and thanks to my friend Brandy Garrison for posting this on my Facebook page. So, we're making bacon keto sushi. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, it's super easy to make. Stay tuned to see how to make this delicious dish. Chop your carrots. And just remember that you're making it thin enough and short enough to go into your, roll it into your sushi. So don't make it too fat or too long, and if you make them too long, then you can trim them. No big deal. So just chop up your carrots until you're all done. And same thing with your cucumber. You're gonna wanna divide it up, chop it up, and just be cognizant of the size that you're making so that it will fit into your sushi. Just keep chopping till you're all done. While your oven is preheating to 400, go ahead and lay your bacon halves on your grilling sheet. And then after you get them all in there, you'll put them in the oven for about, depending on the thickness of your bacon, 20 to 30 minutes till they're done, but so they're still pliable, because that's going to be what we use for the outside of our sushi. Once your bacon is done, take it out and blot it on some paper towels. Get the excess grease off of it. And then you're gonna wanna put your cream cheese on your bacon strip. And then you're gonna add your ingredients. So some carrots, your cucumbers, and your avocado. And then just roll it all up. And place it on your platter. Keep rolling till you're all done. Finish it off with sprinkling some sesame seeds on there. Yum. Toasted sesame seeds. There you have it. Now for the taste test. Yum. So, the cream cheese is nice and creamy. The carrot and the cucumber just add a really nice kind of crispness to the whole thing. And of course, the flavors just meld together perfectly. This is really good, a great snack, a great appetizer. Gotta make these, guys. So, you know what to do. Like, mash that subscribe button, and I will see you next week on Destination Bacon. Thanks for watching.